Hi, this is the TCL for the NxtPaper and I'll show you the fingerprint scanner test on this device. So I just set up my fingerprint to the scanner on the power key button, and now I'll make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my fingerprint and we'll see how fast this option is and does it works. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as we could see at the result, the fingerprint scanner was here fast and correct. We just unlocked the device successfully without any problems. So you could try this unlock method, but don't forget that the fingerprint is less secure than the passcode or pin code unlock methods. That's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.